The best thing with this system in this car is it's got Apple CarPlay too. So with your charging lead, USB, the right way around, like so, and then plug in. Just wait a second, there you go, it's automatically gone to CarPlay. Once you've set CarPlay up, as soon as you plug it in again, you have to acknowledge that it's going to play when your phone screen's off, and that you can alter this when your phone screen's off. But once you've done that, that's it, it's set up here. It's brilliant. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel at all. You've got your little voice activation button here, you click that for 2 seconds. Take me to McDonald's.
One option is McDonald's. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
You'll see the go there. It automatically set it. If you don't cancel it or say go, it will automatically navigate you to the place you've just told it to. So that's it. It's as easy as that. If we just go, you see the 8 squares here. If you click there, that brings up the menu, the complete menu. And again, if I want to call somebody, 2 seconds on the voice activation. Call Barrie.
Calling Barrie, iPhone.
You have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting, press 1.
So I was dialing myself then, but you'll see that's how easy it is to do. So Barry's not available, so we want to send him a text. Again, thumb on the button for a couple of seconds. Text Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now, you would have heard then that a text come up. There's a 1 in the messages. You're driving down the road, you're dying to know what your text says. You can either click it here or, again, click for 2 seconds here. Read texts.
Barrie sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Fiat 500. It's really good. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
Brilliant system, and you can do anything you want. Again, couple of seconds. Play music. Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
Next track. It's as simple as that. And also, again, if you go to the main menu, you've got audio books there. If I just wipe that along, Spotify, anything, it mirrors your home screen. You've got Audible, so you can listen to audio books. If I click on there you go. You've got all your books there in your library. You can pick any one or just play from before. Just go back there. WhatsApp, Google Maps. It's an absolutely fantastic system. As I say, you've got Apple Maps. Apple Maps, you can set all sorts of things. You can set all sorts of reminders. When you set a reminder, if you get to work, you can set the reminder for when you get out at work. And as soon as I've got a memory like a sieve, that comes in very handy. Otherwise, I'll forget. But it is a fantastic system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.